What's up, guys? I wanted to take just a quick minute to show you something that you need to be aware of. If you set up a PowerLogic energy meter to remotely read power usage, power consumption, inside the meter, you can see here the white cable is actually going over to the output of the pulse relay, and right here there is a little switch that you can see. Just above that switch is the multiplier value. All right, you must match inside your software that multiplier value. You can see right there our pulse consumption is 0.5 kWh. Right here you can see that the setting on our meter is also at 0.5 kWh. You can set this up higher. The reason that we're running this at 0.5 is so we can get just a little bit more accurate reading of hourly usage, and that is one of the reasons why we do that. You can run it higher, but you get just a little bit better resolution. However, the trade-off of that is the relay does not last as long. But anyways, I just wanted to do this quick video. Again, if you are using a PowerLogic power meter similar to this, and you set it up for remote logging, make sure to double check that setting right there, that switch, compared to the setting within your software. If they do not match, you will not get an accurate reading. Anyways, guys, this is just a quick video that I wanted to do. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below. Check out all the links down below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.